Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update the Klarna app on Android or iPhone. First, head over to your app store, open it. If you're using Android, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. Next, in the search bar, search for Klarna. Then, if a new update is available, you'll see an update button. Tap on the update button and wait for the installation to finish. Updating the app helps fix bugs and improves performance. Sometimes issues like login not able to happens because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest and bug fixes. It also makes sure you have the latest features and security updates. That's how you update the Klarna app on Android or iPhone. If this video helped you,